Hello everyone, welcome back to my brow series to see how I go from this to that, only using eyeshadow. Stick around. You will need an angle brush, concealer, Fix Plus, and eyeshadow. I use Espresso by MAC. I'm going to take the concealer and apply it first. You don't have to do this. You can do your regular way of applying your concealer after to clean it up. But because this is my eyebrow series, I'm going to show you all the different ways you can do your eyebrows. I'm just following the natural line under my brows. First, spray your angle brush. Make sure that it's wet enough. If you spray it and the eyeshadow immediately dries, then just spray a little more. Once you do that, mix it in the eyeshadow again until you form a liquid. And when you get the right consistency that you like, test it on your hands and you're ready to go. You guys, this is not a new hack. This is an old style of the way you can do your brows. I like this method because it is easy, it's fast, and if you run out of eyebrow pencil and you have these products, you're good to go. If you run out of gel, you have these products, and it doesn't smudge easily. I like that too. I'm just following the way my hair naturally grows, so I'm brushing up and over depending on how the hair grows. Depending on the shade that you chose, you may have to, just trust the process. It may look like I'm not applying anything, but as we go on, you'll see. In the beginning, my brush wasn't wet enough, so I did have to go back in and mix it a little more, and eventually I got the consistency that I needed. But you also can get a darker color. This is more of a natural color. It'll mostly be like, if you choose this color, it'll be like a shade underneath your brows. So it kind of fills in those areas that you're missing hair or anything like that. This is a super, super, super natural look. If you want a gradient look, you can do a lighter color in the front, a darker color in towards the end of your eyebrow. But this is a natural makeup look. You still look like you have your brows done, but it's a natural way to do it. And this is it. Super easy, super natural. I hope you enjoy it. Try it out. Comment below and let me know how it works out for you. And if you would like to see more of my eyebrow videos, click on the playlist. See you next time.